Hello mga kasangga! Welcome to my channel, Pearl TV and Travels Vlog. Mga kasangga, our beautiful Queen Bea Alonzo ay super happy and enjoyed the endless summer in Europe. She shares some of her beautiful memories in their latest vacation in Europe with Vincent Co. Ipinakita niya ang mga magagandang beaches doon at masasarap na foods. Let's watch it here mga kasangga.